you looking for a home with a large block walk to station with an amazing future development opportunity? With over 600 square metres within a tree-lined street, this property already has in place its own stormwater easement. With walking distance to Merrylands CBD, offering schools, shops, station and a park right at the end of your street. This spacious 3-bedroom home has had an upgraded modern kitchen as well as multiple living rooms, beautiful covered decking and its own pizza oven. If you'd like to know more information about this amazing home or book an inspection, reach out to me today.